Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change name on Pinterest app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Pinterest app. So here you can see your profile icon on bottom right corner, tap on it. Now go to your profile on top left corner. Tap on view profile. Here tap on edit profile. Now here click on name and now you can change your name. After you change your name, tap on done button that is located on top right corner. So you have successfully changed name on Pinterest app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.